Yeah.
Me and Sicily, and on this episode, we're going to go to the southwest side of the island to Sciacca in the province of Agrigento to explore this quaint, beautiful seaside fishing village.
And the connection between Sciacca and the United States is enormous, especially in my hometown, Boston, home of Tony DeMarco, World Welterweight Championship. Remember his boxing matches with Carmen Basilico? Legendary.
All right, hope you enjoyed this episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Rich history, churches, a robust fishing port, miles of beaches, farms of all types, unique ceramics, important festivals, and fabulous fish dishes. The seaside city of Sciacca has it all. Located on the southwest side of Sicily in the province of Agrigento, Sciacca was originally named Thermae by the Greeks who founded it in the 5th century BC. As its name implies, the area was once known for its thermal spa and sulfur springs. Sciacca has maintained much of its medieval layout, with a quaint historic district on top, richly decorated with ceramics. There are shops of all types, but certainly plenty of ones selling ceramics. Plus, you get a glorious view of the port and beaches. The Porta Palermo, or Gate of Palermo, is just one example of the beautifully preserved parts in the city. In fact, there is lots to explore in the city center. Side streets, alleys, and stairs lead to exciting new spots to marvel. The Piazza Angelo Scandigliato is where people take a stroll in the evening. Kids ride their bike, attend open-air concerts and fairs, and take in this beautiful panorama. It is here we met our flutist friend who Alfred met for the first time 8 years ago. He again played his flute for us. Porta San Salvatore is the oldest of the gates of Sciacca and leads directly into the historic center of the city. Right as you step inside the gate, there's the Church of Carmine, dedicated to San Salvatore. It was originally built by Count Ruggiero immediately after the liberation of the city from Muslim domination in 1087. In the Piazza Duomo, there's the Mother Church, dedicated to Sciacca's patron saint, Maria Santissima del Scorso. She's credited with stopping the plague of 1626. Celebrations are held February 2nd and August 15th. Another beautiful church is the Church of San Maria dell'Itria, the Church of St. Michael the Archangel, and so many others. The main industries of Sciacca are tourism, fishing, and agriculture. As you drive around the outskirts, there are acre after acre of olive farms, vineyards, and other produce-producing farms. Sciacca has one of the largest fishing fleets in Sicily. At the port, Fishermen pull up with their daily catch and sell right on the spot. The fresh catch that just arrived off these boats. Look at that. Standing here, fresh fish right here, and they set up shop right here on the dock and sell it to the locals. How cool is that? They're here at different times of the day, depending on the catch. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening now, and this is what the locals caught. And of course, this lends to fabulous fish dishes of all types. Besides great seafood, Sciacca, like all other towns in Sicily, have specialty sweets. In this shop, we found cuccidella, typical sweets of Sciacca, made with almond flour and stuffed with pumpkin preserve.
Mandorla e marmellata di zucca, la zuccata.
E come si chiama?
Cuccidella.
So why are the ceramics in Sciacca so unique? First, they are mostly made by hand, like you can see with our friends Giuseppe and Vito. The colors are also different from other towns known for their ceramics, like Caltagirone and Santo Stefano de Camastra. Here, they use mostly orange, yellow, green, and light blue. Yellow,
blue.
Sciacca is also known for its colorful carnival celebrations. Sciacca, a shining Sicilian city with unique styles of architecture, colorful art, and foods. Look what I got from our trip to Sciacca. Handmade, beautiful ceramic mug.
Made in Sicily, too. Always check.
Not in China.
There you
So,
go.
did you enjoy our trip?
I loved it. I love going there. I want to go back. I've been there a bazillion times. Let's go back next week, Esther. I love that place.
Very unique place, great fish dishes, and really great beaches as well.
Historic. That's for sure.
If you've enjoyed this episode, make sure you check them all out at www.youmeandsicily.com.
And don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page.
Same name, You, Me, and Sicily. Thanks for watching. We have many more ancestral home videos coming your way, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. Ciao.
Peace. Love you.